Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I'll be explaining what is Monopoly Go. Well, Monopoly Go is a free-to-play abstract strategy casual board game that features stylish graphics. The classic Monopoly board, where you can roll dice and move your piece to earn money. You can earn shield, you can actually attack other players' boards, you can perform bank heist, pay taxes, and other such things. So for example, if you actually tap on this go button right here, it will actually move to the board, then you will get some reward. So for example, I got a shield. You can actually use this one to defend your place from the attacking opponents. So it's just simple to play here. You just roll the dice and move your piece to earn some additional money. And for example, here you can collect some commissions. Then actually you can use that money that you've earned to build new structures, upgrade your town, and eventually increase your network. So you can use that money to become a tycoon, build new structures, upgrade iconic buildings, and do other similar things to eventually complete a board, then move to the next one, which in simple words is moving to the next city to buy stuff there. Then you can actually interact with your family or friends. So tap on the friends icon at the bottom right. And next you can see here the friends and families, the timeline, the leaderboard from your friends, from locals or global. So you'll find the rankings right here. Then you can actually collect some stickers. So when you tap this album right here, you'll find all the stickers that you can complete when you're playing on Monopoly Go. And if you tap on the three dots and tap on these daily treats, then if you play 7 consecutive days, you will get a token right here. As you can see, the cutie cat token. Then you can actually attack your opponent's city. So for example, here you want to shut down one of your friends here. And if you try to attack, as you can see, you will get another rewards here. So yeah, you can download this application on your Google Play Store and try to play this game. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.